Uh-oh, I haven't loaded Roblox yet. Anyways, welcome back, my friends and fans. Hunter Killer here with another episode of Roblox, basically. Jailbreak. Now, I'm just waiting for it to load, and it's not working. Oh, here we go. It has 1 billion visits. So now they came out with a new update. New bank escape route, and new rims, and more, basically new stuff, basically. They just came out with new stuff. And this one, I think they fixed the train more, which is amazing. But, let me spin my fidget spinner. That's what it sounds like. I think I should be a prisoner, because we of course want to see the new escape route, am I right? For the bank. And I don't know where to go. Here we go. We're heading over here. Now, for me right now, I see nothing. I don't see a character. My screen is very shiny and I can barely see. I'm probably gonna edit the shiny thing out, because I can't even see anything. It's too bright. Well, I can see a little bit. Ooh, a tree. Can I climb this? God, it's like those things on the door. Oh, just like too shiny. I can't barely see anything. I'm gonna try and edit this out the best I can, but I can't even see that. Alright. I don't know how you punch. Uh-oh. The character's broken. No, stop. Oh, my character's broken. Oh. Computer is running low on problems. Can't function. God dang. Stop. No. Go. Don't go away. Oh, God. Stop. Get this out. Listen. Alright, now it works now. And the shiny part of the doors, the door locks are gone. Perfect. Now I can see everything, and I can't be blinded by the game that much anymore. Yay! Bad thing is, here's how you punch. Come on. God dang it, you can't fun. You can't run fast enough, Joe. Jay, that's his name now, Joey. Alright. Come on, we made it. Alright. How that cop not see me? Man, these cops are crazy. Oh, sure, a new friend. Alright. Accept this dude's invite. Alright, now we'll go through. Oh, it was C. I was pressing the whole time saying, why isn't this working? Dinos. Oh, it's C. You don't tell me this dude. Yeah, what a camper, dude. You know what? Screw the server. It's a bunch of losers who camped the gate. Someone can get out. So, let's go to a different server. Oh. Alright, I'll see you in a sec. Alright, we're back, and we're connecting to a new server, which I'm happy, because I absolutely hated the last one. Because people just cheating and guarding the place. I haven't stopped for other ideas and nothing worked. You want to know why? Because they kept camping the fence. So I couldn't do anything. Would you rather watch me doing that over and over again in a video? And, and not seeing the new updates, or would you rather have me change a server where cops don't camp the fences? I probably could have gone out this way, but even if I did, there were cops out there too, waiting. Alright, come on, we got this. I'm still an invisible shadow. The wall isn't blowing up. Oh, I'm not holding E. Oh my god, this is stupid. Alright, it worked. And I was about to give up and try again. But I'm invisible right now. I can escape. There are people randomly wandering over here. You can see on the minimap to the bottom left, but... Alright, let's get out of here. Because I am in no mood just to stand around and get captured. We gotta make a video, and I'm gonna make one. I'll see you when I get to a safe house. Hey, what's up, everyone? I stop or try and start from. Anyway, I got my clothes. Gotta get my shotgun as always. You know, protect yourself out there. And as always, you gotta get a pistol too, because people always are evil and they try and track you down, which is not my style. I will not do that. Instead, we will be robbing the train today. Actually, wait, no. We're actually going to be robbing the bank. Because, well, there's a new escape room, and I want to see it. It probably requires a key card. And right by, as soon as, it was like, once you got downstairs to, like, getting ready to turn, there was this door, and it said, coming out soon. And I'm like, whoa, what does this mean? I explored it, I poked and prodded at it, I could do nothing. It was literally a door that sat there, and it said, coming soon. And I was wondering, I wonder what this is going to do. It's probably the new escape route, actually. Which, I'm happy. Because I don't have to worry about people getting me out of the front door with all the stupid cops sitting there. And, I'm happy about that. On the full screen, because, cops could be waiting anywhere. They're so evil, dude. I hate cops. Well, I love cops in the real world, but in this game, it's either the cops get you, or you just sit there and do nothing on it. I mean, can't really do anything about the cops here. Like, you attack them. They're kind of hard to kill. They do drop key cards, though, if you kill them. Which, I'm happy about that. Because it's easier to rob the bank. Here. Let me open this safe real quick. Open. Alright. Candy cane, aw.